Hey guys, this is Squirmy reacts to a, what's that bird called?
Sunny.
No, like what kind of a bird is it? Oh! What the heck?
Wait, Mom! He just went. Look, Sonny's right here. Sonny's right here.
Wait, how did that happen?
What the? They just pecked each other. What the? The parrot. So the parrot went up to Squirmy. He went, and then
Uh-oh. Squirmy got scared.
Squirmy got scared.
Huh?
Did you? So the. Jesus!
This guy's evil! This is obviously evil. It's obviously evil.
Dude, I think he bit Squirmy. I think what happened what made Squirmy fly away was
He's not gonna poke my
Sonny
eyeball.
flew up to
Oh, that's cool.
Sonny flew up to Squirmy and then he went and then bit him and then
face.
Squirmy got like he starts flying away. What the heck is he doing? I think what made Squirmy fly away was Sonny went up to him and then went bite and then bit Squirmy. Are you okay, Squirmy?
Oh, another poop brothers.
Yeah, now they're both poop brothers. That's both of their poops mixed up.
Yeah, like it looks like cinnamon toast crunch.
Let me eat it.
Oh, now I want to eat it. That now. There's a monster. Oh, there's a couple coming. Whoosh. Are you okay, Squirmy? For real, man. I know that bite hurt.
Did they bite each other, really?
No, Squirmy didn't bite it. Well, he kind of did a little bit of it.
Look at Squirmy.
What happened was the parrot came up to him.
Oh,
So what happened was the parrot went up to him and then started to bite him. And then wanna know what happened?
You know how you do it?
Look. After Squirmy gave the parrot a little peck, the parrot got mad and went and bit him really hard, and then he started to get scared. What's the reaction?
Are you hurt anywhere, pumpkin pie? Pumpkin pie.
What's up? Oh!
Wyatt,
Go in the car. Unlock that door. I want to go in the car.
Yeah, but I'm gonna take everything out.
Yeah, I know. But then, anyways, meanwhile, hey, Squirmy. Just to check if you're okay, doing a little surgery. Okay, you okay? Doing a surgery right now. Where'd he peck you? Where did the bird peck you? Where'd he peck you at? Hold on. The bird literally bit him? Oh, no, Squirmy. This isn't good. This isn't funny. Whatever you think it is. He thinks it's funny. Ah ha ha ha, the bird pecked me. That's funny. No, it is not. It stinks in this car right now. All I smell is a bunch of aroma and poop. I think you pooped in this car. So who cares if I pooped? It's like, it's everything if you poo. Oh my god. Oh, Leslie's coming down the street. Look at the Squirmy at the camera.
Oh, there it is.
Good little boy at the camera. Your little face is at the camera. Your little face at the camera. Your little face at the camera. Your little face at the camera. You're facing the camera. Skip. Oh my god, you okay? Okay? Let's open it. Take off our shoes. Just sit here lazy. Yeah. No. He's gonna take off on me. No. No. car poop. There's no car poop. There's no. Oh! We be driving in rails. Ooh. Ooh. Can you imagine Scorpion was a hood ornament?
No, but can you get out of the car now?
Yahoo! Let's go! What? The heck? You're like, let me in. Like, no. Like. Let's go. Scormy, did you forget to buckle in your seatbelt? Jesus. Dust. Out. Let's go. Start up the engine already. What the? I'm not driving until you wipe that off the dashboard. He's like, I'm pouring it up. Okay, no, don't sit there. No. Squirmy, you don't understand. Yes. No, stop it. Okay, this is like having a little puppy in the car. This is our house. We're playing house right now. Squirmy's the puppy. Squirmy's a little puppy. Hi, puppy. Say subscribe. Oh, fine, subscribe. Also check on my net. Okay, what? What do you want? He's like, I'm a little pigeon. That's all I want. Want to know. You're sleeping in here. You're sleeping in here. I'm sleeping with you. So, sleeping with Squirmy. Is this Squirmy? He knows he's school. 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 He's freaking out. He's freaking out. Okay, we're gonna let you go now, okay? Okay. Go free, fly away. Just get out of here. Jeez. I had to let him out. I couldn't take it. I was getting scared, like he was gonna blow up. So I just he was having a heart attack. So I just like, you know what? Let's just let him out, fresh air. Wanna know what he's doing?
I'm going to the
He was like this.
He can sit. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna close the door. So you guys can play out front, okay? Looks like Dad unlocked the gate.
Squirmy kind of almost. He almost lost oxygen.
Oh, your phone. I mean, your. See, I'm tired.
He dropped his subscriber.
I think I'm holding out.
He dropped.
I have my phone in my pocket.
But Mikey
Oh,
also
don't
has
lose
the
it.
subscribers.
You guys be nice. You guys can all play out.
Mine has a cake and everything.
So as you can see over here, we have a pond.
Mine's double. My case is double.
Okay. Where's Laszlo? Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna go inside. It's gonna. No. Anything to say, Squirmy? Yeah. What? Bye bye, peace out, hit the notification, and peace out, my mighty froggers.